Hi, my name is Mark Perrin-Jones and welcome to the Isla Verde Spa Hot Stones Massage course. In this course you're going to learn hot stones but with a difference. You see, when I first learned hot stones massage from the courses that I learnt them from, I found that they all lacked something, in my opinion, quite important. They lacked the actual massage. There was so much focus on using the hot stones, there was really just not enough massage. So we're going to show you what we do in the spa. We've developed our own style of hot stones massage. So you not only get the wonderful benefits and the feel of the hot stones, but you also get these great techniques that we're going to show you in this video using your forearms. And in fact, our hot stones massage is the most popular massage in our spa. We're also going to talk to you about techniques, the equipment that you need to buy. I'm going to show you different massage techniques, how to use the hot stones. I'm going to go through every different aspect of hot stones so that you can give a fabulous hot stones massage. We'll guide you step by step, and you'll see in different parts of the massage sequence, just like my other massage videos, you're going to see the actual video first up of the massage sequences, what to do, what not to do, and I will give a voiceover of all the techniques as we go through. Then at the end of the video you see the whole sequence so that you can actually see the sequence being done and watch it as we go along. So sit back and let's start to learn hot stones massage.